how to log into Spotify using QR code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me tell you that logging in from QR code is not possible in browser, so you'll need to install Spotify on your PC. So for that, you'll need to go to your Microsoft Store, open it up, and then search for Spotify on the search bar on the top. Just search for it, and then you will need to install it. Now once you've installed it, just hit open, and then Spotify will open up, and you can see that it will automatically show you a QR code that can be used to log in. On your mobile phone, you'll need to open up the camera, or you can even open up the QR scanner app to scan this code, and the account that is logged in into your device will automatically log in into your PC as well. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.